So now that you're up to speed with what customer journey mapping is, let's chat about the all-important why. It's important to map your customer journey so you can see clearly how different customers move through your sales funnel. Then you can better identify opportunities for improving the customer experience. And a good customer experience is crucial. Research shows that after a bad customer experience, 22% of consumers decrease their spending and 19% completely flag doing business with that company. But when consumers have a good experience with a company, they are 3.6 times more likely to make additional purchases. Wowee. Many companies perform some sort of customer persona exercise, which is great. But in and of itself, persona mapping isn't enough to show you how the customer relates or interacts with your company. Each user's questions, feelings, and goals will change throughout their journey with your company, which is why it is important to do both the persona and journey mapping exercises. Mapping the journey also helps enforce a customer-centric attitude for your company, rather than just focusing on product, services, and price. Unfortunately, a common perception today is that a customer service mentality is lacking, especially with larger corporate organizations. Here's an example of how customer and company perspectives can differ without a customer-centric attitude. In this diagram, you can see that the customer's perspective is influenced by many factors that aren't necessarily related to the company, while the company experience is focused on the internal processes and how they can sell more product. With such differing perspectives, it's unlikely that the customer will have a very good experience. After mapping your customer's journey, it might become apparent that there are opportunities to improve the journey. Perhaps you'll discover a need to train your sales team further. Maybe your customers want additional but simple functionality. There may also be room to further digitize the customer experience. Perhaps you need to offer self-service. And maybe you're not connecting with customers using channels that they frequently use, like Facebook Messenger, for instance. Whatever it is, the exercise very often reveals instances where you can improve the customer experience. And the outcome there can be huge, like improved customer satisfaction or Net Promoter Score, increased retention, and reduced customer acquisition costs, which all add to your bottom line. Customer journey mapping is an invaluable tool in discovering your company's overall digital maturity as well, which is particularly relevant in today's digital world. As digital transformation is all about keeping up with the ever-changing consumer expectations, it's crucial to map what these expectations in fact are.